Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Fork. In this video we are going to speak about the prices of the Bitcoin. We are going to speak about the most important news about what is happening in the market, new cryptocurrency exchange, new day, new problems. We are going to speak about technical analysis of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the most important thing for us, this is the DXY US dollars index. So let's start with this very important video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, guys, this is the right time to actually click on the subscribe button and on the like button in order to stay updated in the most important news about the cryptocurrency, stock market, and of course about what is happening about the world, what is happening in these situations. So the price of the Bitcoin is still 27,100. The price of the Ethereum 1,890. We're still in the same prices. But let's speak about the news. Let's speak what is happening in the markets and what is actually moving the prices of the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So breaking news, guys, US economy adds 339,000 jobs in May. Actually, this is very good because it means that the United States is going to recession. It means that Jerome Powell, I think in June, is not going to increase the interest rate. And of course, I will speak and I will tell you why just in a few moments. The US unemployment rate rises to 3.7 percentages, much higher, guys, than expected. So of course, in the last days, everyone is speaking that Jerome Powell is going to increase the interest rate in June by 0.25 rates. I don't really think that this is going to happen. I think that in June they are going to pause the interest rates, and maybe in July, if the details about June going to be very bad, but I don't really think so, because we can see by these details, because US economics added just 339,000 jobs in May. This is a very low, but the most important thing, this is the unemployment. 3.7 percentages. We can see that unemployment is actually rising. Everyone knows that actually this unemployment details is actually wrong because a lot of people will add it to unemployment status just in a few months. So it means that the actual numbers are even much higher than 3.7 percentages. I don't think that Jerome Powell is going to increase the interest rate, and I think for the short term and the midterm, this is very bullish to the cryptocurrency market and for the stock market, Nasdaq, S&P 500 as well, because as for the people who is watching my channels for a long time knows that I think that the market is going to rise at least until October, November of 2023. We already spoke about that in about a few months ago. And if you're just watching my channel for the first time, this is the right time to take a pause, click on the subscribe button and on the like button as well. So in front of your eyes, you can see, of course, the US debate clock. As we spoke already on my channel, as we taught already on my channel, they accepted to raise the debt. The debt, guys, they made it already 78 times and they made it actually for the 79th time already. So actually it's always happening that there is a games between the Democrats and the Republicans. Always they are trying to make more and more they are taking more the money to their own regions. The Democrats that are trying to take into their own places, and the Republicans trying to take the rules, the money to their own places. Every time everything is happening in the same order. 78 times they raised the interest rate, they raised the debt, and they made it already for the 79 time. So, and I think that they will make it for the 80 time in few years. Everyone is speaking that the next time that they are going to increase the debt will be just in 2025. So another day, guys, and another cryptocurrencies exchanges problem. We already spoke about that. Not your keys, not your coins. And this is very important to understand, because if you own your cryptocurrency on an exchange, and I'm speaking about that, let's say every cryptocurrency video that I'm making on my YouTube channel, I'm speaking about that if you own your cryptocurrencies on exchange, this is not your cryptocurrency. This is just a digits that you are seeing in front of your eyes. This is just a digits that you are seeing on the screen, and this is very important because cryptocurrency MEXC have another issue. This is not one of the biggest cryptocurrencies exchanges, but this is actually a big one. We know that actually FTX fall in about 1 year ago. It was the second cryptocurrencies exchange in the world. Actually, second cryptocurrencies exchange is actually scammed in less than 24 hours. Guys, what you have to do, how you can buy cryptocurrencies, you can buy on Binance, on Bybit. You have the links in the descriptions below. With our link, you will have discounts on Binance and on Bybit. You will have in about 5,000 bonuses when you are making your deposit. Use the biggest exchanges, the safest exchanges, but, and this is very important, when you are buying a cryptocurrency, in the first moments, just withdraw your cryptocurrency. This is very important. To Cold Wallet for Ledger, you have the links in the descriptions below. The next news that actually moving the market, that Elon Musk is warning that the commercial real estate market is going to down really, really fast. I already spoke about that since March, since February of 2023. The next sector that will have a problems, this is the commercial real estate and of course real estate. Because when the interest rate is really high, more and more people are not buying houses, more and more people, investors actually, are not investing in real estate. People and big companies like Intel, Microsoft, they don't need actually the offices anymore, because after the virus that we saw in 2020, you can see that less and less people are working in offices. More and more people are working from their homes. And actually, when the interest rate is higher and higher, these companies and these people are thinking about that more and more. And this is happening each and every time. The first sector that actually falling, this is the banking system. And I don't think that actually the problems are actually handled. People that don't see my last episode about the banking system, it was my last video. Click on my channel and go to see my last video about the banking system and why I think that actually the banking system and the problems with the banking system just will continue with the time. But right now they are on pause. And then after the banking system crisis, what is happening is actually commercial real estate and real estate crisis. So I don't think that this crisis is behind us. And as I told you, until October, November of 2023, we are going to rise the Bitcoin cryptocurrencies. Again, guys, nothing that you are seeing on my channel is a financial advice, but Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, of course, S&P 500 and Nasdaq are going to rise from my point of view, from how I am making analysis on the market. They are going to rise until October, November of 2023, but then something is going to happen to on the world, on the economics. So let's speak about China. Let's speak about Bitcoin hash rate. Actually, congratulations, we broke another record and another all-time high to Bitcoin hash rate. It means that people investing hundreds of millions of US dollars in mining of cryptocurrencies day by day. Actually, to be more special, they are actually mining Bitcoin. We broke another all-time high. We can see in front of our eyes that China is actually banned cryptocurrency mining in China in April of 2021. We can see that we decreased a little bit. We decreased a little bit the mining, and then we actually continue to rise by the hash rate. And this is actually means that the big people, that the whales are actually investing in Bitcoin technologies. They are believing Bitcoin, they are mining Bitcoin. And even when countries, it doesn't really matter if United States will ban cryptocurrency mining, if China will ban cryptocurrency mining, Russia will ban cryptocurrency mining, this is really doesn't matter. The most important thing is that these people will close their miners. They will not mine cryptocurrency for the last few weeks, for the last few months, but then they are going to deliver these ASIC miners, these mining devices to other countries, and they will mine there, because business is a business, guys. Miners are making money. They are continue to invest in cryptocurrency ecosystem. They are continue to mine crypto. And this is very, very important, because people who is investing, people who is seeing my channels, my videos, and of course clicking on the subscribe button, guys, if you still not a subscriber of my channel, this is the right time to do it. And if you are investing in cryptocurrency for the next 5, 10 years, and even 15 years, by the way, I'm investing, my portfolio is for the next 10, 15 years. If you're investing in cryptocurrency, so for you, it doesn't really matter when you are buying a Bitcoin. If you are buying a Bitcoin at 25,000 and 26,000 as it is right now, 27,000, 30,000, because in 5 or 10 years from now, the price of the Bitcoin will be much, much higher than now. And if you want to invest in your future and you don't want to gamble right now, this is the right time. Always, this is the right time to buy Bitcoin, even at 69, at 65,000, because Bitcoin, this is from my point of view, gold 2.0. This is gold that actually everyone can take everywhere very, very easily. And by the economics and actually by the statistics, by the RSI, you can see that right now we are in a very good diapason. From my point of view, as I told you already, June 2023 already started and we are already in the bull market. But right now, I know that it's a little bit scary to invest in Bitcoin, to really believe in that, because there is no hype. People are not speaking about Bitcoin, but people will start to speak about Bitcoin at the prices of 40, 45,000. And more picture and more technical analysis like that, you will see when the price of the Bitcoin will be 40,000, 45,000. And actually these pictures are making FOMO in the market. People want to invest more and more their money, and they will never want to invest their money when the price of the Bitcoin is actually failing. Well, the price of the Bitcoin is 25,000, 15,000, 20,000. People are investing in Bitcoin. They are putting all in when there is a FOMO. And actually you will see more and more picture like that. I am just showing you that in order that you will see that just when the price of the Bitcoin is starting to rise, more and more bloggers, more and more people are actually speaking about 50,000, 100,000. In my last video, I showed you forecast about 140. And guys, the time to buy Bitcoin is always, but the best time to buy Bitcoin when there is bloods in the market. This is the best time to buy Bitcoin, exactly, even like now when the price of the Bitcoin is 27,000 US dollars. Let's speak about the DXY, about the DXY, because this is very, very important. Right now, you can see that the next resistance is 105, 106. If we are going above 105, 106, this is very bad to the cryptocurrency market, S&P 500, and for everything. From my point of view, we are going to stay below, guys. We are going to stay below 105, 106, and we are going to 100 by the DXY, and even much, much lower until the end of the year, until December, November, October of 2023. I think that the US dollars is going, the US dollars index is going to go to the downside, but in the same time, cryptocurrency, S&P 500 and Nasdaq will go to the upside, because this is the time and they are always working like that. The price of the Bitcoin, nothing is changed. We can go to 25, we can go to even to 24,000 for one Bitcoin. It will not cancel the bull run, even the mini bull run that we are going to see in the near future, guys. I really believe that right now we can consolidate in the same place as we are doing for the last, since March of 2023. We are still at the same prices when we were in March of 2023. I really believe in that we can even fall to 25, 24,000 US dollars. Nothing has happened, just buy more Bitcoin. Again, not a financial advice. This is what I'm going to do with my Bitcoins, with my financials. And since then, it's going to be really quick. We are going to fall to the downside, and then the price of the Bitcoin will go much, much even faster to the upside. This is to the Bitcoin. The next resistance, this is of course our time high from April of 2023. Let's speak about Ethereum. Let's say that this is going to follow the Bitcoin price, but the next support level for Ethereum is 1,850. This is a very let's weak support, but the next strong support is 1,800, and we can fall even to 1,670. Guys, thank you very much for watching my channel. My name was CryptoFork. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the like as well, and if you still will have any questions after this video, just write me in the comments below. I'm reading all the comments and answering to them. Thank you very much, and see you in the next cryptocurrency video. Bye bye.